Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop individuals or people from adding you to groups on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is sign into Instagram and select your profile icon on the bottom right to launch your profile page. Select the hamburger icon on the top right. And then you want to select the notifications button in here. Select where it says messages, and where it says group request, you can toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.